we will discuss about the bonding energy of the hydrogen atom. We know that the hydrogen atom has only one electron and that is found in the ground state. So energy of the nth energy level now this En equal to minus 13.6 N square Z square electron volt. This is not so much. And we know that the bonding energy of nth energy level, this bonding energy equal to 0 minus 0 minus 13.6 Z square upon N square electron volt. As you know that the bonding energy is the energy that is supplied to remove the electron from the orbit, and that it goes to infinity, and that is, as infinity the energy is 0. So this is the difference of the energy of the states lying at infinity and the electron that is lies in the atom. So this is equal to plus 13.6 Z square upon N square electron volt. This is now bonding energy, right? This is for nth energy level. If we are taking for hydrogen atom, now one thing we will remember that this bonding energy is always positive. Bonding energy is always positive. So for hydrogen atom, Z equal to 1. So this bonding energy is equal to 13.6 upon N square electron volt. This is for hydrogen atom. Now if the electron is found in first energy state, then this will be 13.6 electron volt. It is found in second energy state, then this will be now something different. So this is for hydrogen atom. So now first bonding energy B1 equal to 13.6 upon 1 square electron volt. Here N equal to 1. So this B1 is equal to 13.6 electron volt. And this we are calculating for hydrogen atom. So this now second bonding energy B2 equal to 13.6 upon 4 electron volt. Here N is equal to 2. The electron is found in the second energy state. Then we have this bonding energy. So this B2 is equal to, this is now your 3.4 electron volt. So much. This is we have to find when the electron is in second energy state. Now for the third bonding energy, B3 equal to 13.6 upon 9 electron volt. Here N equal to 3. So this B3 is equal to, this is now your 1.5 5, and this is now your 1.51 electron volt, and so on. Generally, the electron is found in ground state. Generally, the electron in hydrogen atom is found in ground state. So the bending energy of hydrogen atom this is equal to 13.6 electron volt. So much. If however the electron is found in some excited state, if electron lies in second, third, etc. energy levels, then the bonding energy will be, this is now your 3.4 electron volt, and this is now your 1.51 electron volt, etc. respectively. So, where the electron is found, from that energy state we calculate the bonding energy. Suppose in case of, this is now hydrogen atom, then we are having this in the ground state. But in case of some other hydrogen like atoms, suppose lithium, then lithium has the one electron in the second energy state. So that will be excited to the next higher energy state. So that will be the bonding energy according to the second energy state. So now if we have for hydrogen like atoms, now this binding energy equal to 13.6 Z square upon N square electron volt. Now for example, we take this lithium 3, 7. So for this Z equal to 3. So now what we have, that this binding energy is equal to 13.6 into 3 square upon N square electron volt. So now this is your 13.6 into 9 upon N square electron volt. So this is now your 54, this is now your 4 27 and 532, 3 and this is now your 12. So much electron volt upon n square. This is now binding energy. This so much. Now since in the lithium atom, the one electron lies in the second energy state. So now this we have this 2 and 1. So one electron is the second energy state. The last one electron in lithium 3,7 atom is in second energy state. Second energy state. So what we have this n is equal to 2. So binding energy will be how much? This is now your 122.4 upon this is now square root of 2. So this is now your 2 square so much electron volt, and this will come out to be 4. So 4 3 is 12, and this is now 13.4. So this is now your 6. So much electron volt. This is the binding energy. So this is the binding energy of the lithium atom, because this one electron is found in the second energy state. So we have to put this n equal to 2. Then this is now 4, and then you calculate. So this is now 30.6 electron volt. So this is now first binding energy. We can say that it's the first binding energy. If the this electron lies in the third energy state, then we have to take n equal to 3. That will be the second binding energy. Then so on. The fourth binding energy, fifth binding energy, and so on. Therefore, binding energy of lithium 3,7, this is equal to 30.6 electron volt. Now then we find this is our first binding energy. It is first binding energy. If the electron is found in n equal to 3 state, last electron lies in n equal to 3 energy state, then second binding energy of lithium 3,7 atom. Now that will be over 13, no, this is now 122.4 upon, now 3 to this is now your 9, so much electron volt, and this is now your 1, then 332, so 9 3 the 27 and 5, so this is now 6, so much electron volt. This is the second binding energy. This is the second binding energy. Similarly, if the electron lies in fourth energy state, third energy state, then we can find this now third energy, third binding energy, fourth binding energy, and so on. Similarly, other binding energy of lithium 37 atom calculated depending upon the presence of electron last electron in energy level. So this is what the binding energy of the hydrogen atom and hydrogen like atom. So thank you very much.